So the first video I want to make is about Dogecoin. I don't know what's going on with Dogecoin. It's up 52%. I tried shorting it several times from 13, and then it went down, and then put my stop at 13. Got stopped out both times at break even. Let me just start on the daily chart. Actually, I'm going to start on the weekly chart. Weekly chart has more room to go. Every other time frame I don't love right now. The 3-day chart is getting close to being overbought. The daily chart is already pinned. The 4-hour is very close to being pinned and completely overbought. 1-hour chart has reset for a higher high, a higher low as well. I do like that a lot. To me, that looks like the smaller time frames do want to move higher, which is still crazy. The moving averages are still far apart, so do be careful. And if we go to the 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart is as well putting in higher lows and higher highs. The 15-minute chart and the 1-hour chart are both telling me there's a good chance we continue higher. Also, I'm also looking at this falling wedge that we have here on the 15-minute chart. It's kind of going sideways right now, so we'll see if it breaks to the upside. The higher time frames are obviously completely exhausted, but it doesn't mean this can't break higher. It's not the best falling wedge, but there is a falling wedge here. And the measured move, let me get the measured move. It'd be a pretty big measured move. You take it from the top wick to the last real bottom, and we will say that's the bottom. If you do want to say that that's a falling wedge, you're looking at, without using any leverage, 41% gains to the upside. Would take you all the way up to 17, almost 18, 17.7 cents. So anywhere between 17 to 18 cents would be a good target. If you want to be conservative, take profits at 16 cents probably. But remember, guys, that bigger time frames are way overbought. Smaller time frames do say they want to go higher. We will see what happens. If the next time you get overbought, you cannot break 15.2, that's going to be bearish, because anything lower than 15.2 is either a lower high or a double top. So 15.2, preferably like way higher, like 15 and a half or something like that, before the 15-minute chart gets overbought. But that's really what you want to see, is at least 15.2 for the next move up. If you don't even get to 15.2, and if you don't get to 15.2 before you break this low at 12 cents, then clearly the top would be in for right now. But I still think there's some hope on the smaller time frames for another move. All right, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video or are new, appreciate if you like and subscribe. By the way, we'll be live here momentarily, so hopefully we'll see you guys on the live stream on YouTube and TikTok. Crypto Boss Andrew. I'll see you guys in a few moments.